Got some parts in. Let's see what it could be. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's test it out. Still no fan power. The board was on for a little bit, then it just shut off on its own. So you need to figure out why it just shut off, and then figure out why the fan's not cutting on. So let's keep on diving. I went ahead and cleaned off the thermal compound off the central processing unit, and also cleaned it off the heatsink right there. So I'm gonna add some more. Thermal compound. Oh, that hand light's pretty cool. So we got it all installed. Let's go test out the power. Just a quick recap. The first thing we had to figure out is why I didn't have no power, so I had to order up a new AC/DC inverter. Got that switched out, so we got power. Then we found out the CPU fan wasn't kicking on, so I had to order another CPU fan. The one they sent me wasn't working, so I have another one coming back. The guy was very helpful. In the meantime, I was able to source a USB powered fan. New AC inverter, new fan. Got a power button there so I can turn it on from home to test it out. Let's see what happens. Now we are in the system BIOS. We're going to check the hardware monitor, make sure that the CPU is not overheating at the fan's doing its job. We don't want it to go over 40 degrees Celsius or it's getting a little hot in the danger zone. 35 to 36 is perfect, not getting over 40. Job well done. I think this button right here sends the information to the screen. Pretty interesting. So the app we're going to be using is LED Configuration Guru.